Hey guys, William Murfitt here, and today we're going to be cleaning up the engine. Now I've got my waterproofs on because it's going to get a bit messy, and I've got the engine slightly jacked up in the air, and I'm also going to get the pressure washer out. So first job really is to get the engine outside. I'm probably going to only have to get it out so far because of the gravel outside, but I'm going to get out so far that I can just pressure wash it off both sides, not get too much wet inside the garage. So I'm going to put the distributor back on, and then give it a blast, put some engine degreaser on it, leave it there, aggravate it a little bit, give it another blast, and hopefully we'll be in a much better position in about 10-15 minutes than we are now. So let's get on with it. Before I get started, I've obviously done this little bit here, but the engine itself is looking in a pretty disgusting way. I've put an old distributor on, which will not be used again, especially in that form. So yeah, I'm just going to try and blast up a lot of this muck, especially off the gearbox, and hopefully that will make a much better start to this engine rebuild. Let's crack on. So I've got some engine degreaser, which I'm literally just, I've not got much left, so I'm just pouring on in places, and then using a old paintbrush just rubbing in, just trying to get rid of all the old grime. And there it is, cleaned up. It's a bit tatty. I put some black engine paint over the old yellow, so I think I might change it up this time. But I'll try to get this as clean as possible. I'm not overly worried about the back because it's not really going to get seen, but the gearbox in the back actually cleaned up much better than the front, unfortunately. Just going to put some rag inside the inlet and exhaust bores, just to clean that, or dry that up, and yeah, get this back inside. But I think that is a wrap. Super happy. Next stage, rebuild.